You ready, Bob? All right. This is Kayla and Connor's friend Jeanette. All right, sweetie. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. All right. Get in the lap. Here we go. Whoa! There we go. Look, Kayla, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Whoa! Woohoo! You did it.
Whoa! Halloween.
Oh, okay. Well, I think you're about to get another pair that's actually coming down right now, so I'll let them know when they get down. Good job.
That was that one faster?
Wow.
That was so fun!
I
Okay.
didn't feel they go, guys!
You guys have a chair or anything around here?
The one's on the far left.
You can go, guys!
Good job, guys. Good job, Jeanette. Kayla. Good job, buddy. Look, I got you a video.
That was so fun! Woohoo!
Good job, Connor.
That was awesome!
Good job, buddy.
I don't know, it might have been a little faster. What do you think?
It was really fast.
It was pretty fast.
Yeah, but you know what? It wasn't as steep, was it?
That was so great.
Did you love that? I found you.
Kayla. Kayla. Good job.
Did you
You're learning how to swim so good. I'm so proud of you.
That was awesome.
like a life jacket?
That was so great.
Yeah, you got to tell him the bubble.
Thank you.
Wow, I know, it's so neat.
Look at Daddy.
Connor, did you have fun?
Connor's a shark.
So fun.
Did you have fun?
Connor's a shark. You
guys wanna do it again?
I'll swim you around.
Connor.
Let's do it again.
Connor, did you have fun? She's ready to do it again. She's like, yeah!
That was
Kayla.
awesome.
Kayla, do you want to do it again? Kayla, do you want to do it again?
Got her.
No.
Okay.
Want to do it again? Yeah.
Yeah?
Okay.
You want to go with her? No, you want to go with Mommy?
Yeah,
Okay. All right, let's go.
Well-
That was so awesome.
We just got double scolded.